Hello, and this is the second section where we will talk about the CPU or the Central Processing Unit. The processor, also called CPU, is the component that thinks and executes commands. Every time you open a program, type something, write an email, or browse the internet, the processor is the one interpreting and carrying out those instructions. Think of it as the brain. Executes instructions. It reads and executes the commands from software programs and the operating systems like Linux, Windows, Mac, and so forth. Processes data. It performs arithmetic, logical, and input-output operations. Controls operations. It manages the flow of information between other hardware components. It is also found in many devices. So beyond desktops and laptops, CPUs are found in smartphones, tablets, and other modern devices. In the illustration, we have an Intel Core i5, which is fast, modern, efficient, and is great for multitasking, classes, office work, and more. And then to the right, we have the Intel Celeron 95095, much slower and more basic, but is still good for simple tasks like browsing or typing documents. We are now comparing the processor speed with our human reasoning. For example, fast processors or thinkers are great at following instructions fast, like the quick reasoning in humans. This means that any tasks are completed efficiently without delays or lags. The slower processors struggle when multitasking and heavy applications. Think of it as a person needing time to process multiple ideas simultaneously, leading to potential slowdowns. Then, let's talk about how good multitasking could be. A processor's speed let us open many applications at once, enhancing productivity, much like a sharp teacher helping multiple students without losing track of any of the questions asked. Now that we have a good grasp about what the CPU is, in the next section we'll discuss the RAM or random access memory.